So, if you are like me and you do not like apples, then you have to try this apple crumble. For the apple mix, I have 5 thinly sliced apples. To that, add 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour, as well as 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix all of this together. And set this aside. For the crumble, we need 1 cup of flour. To that, add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder, as well as 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a cup of oats, as well as half a cup of muesli. Add in 125 grams of margarine and mix all of this together. Mix all of this until it forms a crumbly mixture. To your greased dish, add in the apple mixture. Spread this out evenly. Next, take the crumble mixture and spread it over the apples. Now bake this at 180 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. Serve on its own or with some ice cream or custard. Enjoy.